In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find expired listings on Zillow. This can be incredibly useful if you're in the market for a property that might have gone unnoticed by others, offering you a unique opportunity for negotiation or a potential bargain. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Zillow's search page. This is your starting point, a gateway to explore the extensive range of listings available on the property market. Once you're there, the next thing to do is enter your desired location in the search bar. This could be a city, zip code, or even a specific neighborhood, depending on where you're looking to find properties. Make sure to be as precise as possible to get the most relevant results tailored to your needs. After you've inputted your location, look towards the top of the page for a button labeled More Filters. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, allowing you to refine your search based on different criteria. Now comes the crucial part, adjusting the Days on Zillow slider. This tool is essential for pinpointing listings that have been on the market for a longer duration. Slide the marker to a higher number, such as 60 or even 90 days. What this does is it filters the listings to highlight those that haven't caught the attention of buyers within the more active market period. Properties that have been listed for an extended time can sometimes indicate sellers who might be more open to discussions on pricing, giving you room for negotiations. It's important to note that while these listings have been on the market longer, it doesn't necessarily mean they are poor choices. There could be many reasons why a property hasn't sold yet. Perhaps it's not been advertised well, or maybe it's waiting for just the right buyer. This is where your research and discretion come into play. Look closely at the details of each property and consider why it might not have sold quickly. Think about possibilities that others might have overlooked and assess whether any issues could be potential deal breakers or opportunities for customization and improvement. As you explore, remember that patience is key. The process of finding these listings might take some time, and it's crucial to remain thorough in your research. Look beyond the surface and evaluate each listing carefully to determine whether one of these long-listed properties could become your ideal home or investment opportunity. With these tools and some persistence, you're now equipped to discover potential hidden gems in the real estate market through Zillow. Happy house hunting, and may you find that unique property you've been searching